how to add sound effects to your animations. So I'm using Brush Ninja for this example. You can use whatever animation software you choose. You just have to download the file onto your computer. So for this, it's a bouncy ball that turns into a man. I'm going to click Export, Animated GIF, Export. I then click Save. I notice that it's in my downloads here. My next step is to click on Clipchamp and log in. I need to create a video. I'm going to use the square. And this is where I need to put my media or my animation. I want to have a intro screen with title. So I think I like this one. So I'm going to drag and drop that in. Now if I click on it, I can then click on text and have a title. It is called Man Ball. I can choose the fonts if I want. Perfect. Do I want a logo? No. I could upload an image if I choose. Maybe you could draw an image of your man ball and put it up. Completely up to you. And I'm just having black and white. My next step is with my media. I'm going to add my media. I only want this title to be about 2 seconds. I'm going to click on 2, split, and delete the upper half. I'm going to drag my animation right next to it. So I know that it's going to start immediately after. Now my animation, I want it to fade in. Quite a quick fade in, but that'll make it look better. Let's test it. Perfect. Now I need my audio. So Clipchamp cannot record audio. So I'm going to open a new tab and I'm going to search online audio recorder. I've used this one before and think it's easy to use. I'm going to click this button and start recording. There we go, it is recording and I can see because it's picking up the different volumes here. Click on my video and I need to play it. Boing, boing. Oh, hello, I'm a man. Now here I can play it back. Here we go. I know I don't need this bit because that was just me rambling at the beginning. Do I need this bit? Let's see. Nope. So I just need this section here. Save. Now it downloads it. Need to put it in my video media. Perfect. Let's drag it down. We need to work out where it starts. So if I zoom in, I can clearly see where my ball starts bouncing, which is about there, and I can see that noise in that audio recording about there. So now let's play it to test it. Way too late, so let's fix this a bit. Try it again. That is absolutely perfect and a cracker video. So I've finished it now. Let's call it Ballman. Export it. Just leave it at 480p because those stars mean it's a premium product, aka not for free. Now it's finished downloading. I am going to upload that into my Google Drive. I've got a videos folder, so I'll put it in my videos folder. Here it is. I need to enable my share settings so anyone who has the link can view it. Advanced, who has access, anyone with the link can view. Save. I now need to copy that link, go onto my Seesaw, and once I've made my post, I need to comment and paste that link and press enter. Now when anyone clicks this, they will be able to see that video. So I'm going to come and check them all once you've finished them. Good luck.